Let's be honest, choosing the right ride cymbal can be insanely overwhelming. There are so many details involved to make sure you get exactly what you are looking for. So when I feel overwhelmed by all of the ride cymbal choices out there, I find it best to consult the Meinl-Lisa. Oh great Meinl-Lisa, grant me wisdom on this day to know which ride cymbal I should play.
Gabe, answer me this. To play at your peak, tell me what specifications you seek.
I desire to rock and crash with something warm and thin for me to bash.
The polyphonic ride is the cymbal for you. Now go and play on, and always stay true.
Thanks, Meinl-Lisa. You did it again. Now, I know not all of us have access to the majestic Meinl-Lisa.
Thanks.
You're welcome. But that's why I'm here to help guide you, because I know when it comes to purchasing a ride, there's a lot to consider. There's the size, there's the pitch, there's the weight, and the price. So what we are gonna do today is I'm going to show you my approved list of Meinl rides, starting off by weight and going through each price point from there. So now let's test out my list of heavy rides. Check it out. So if you've been watching my videos for a little while, you might know that I generally don't gravitate towards heavy rides. However, I think there is absolutely a place for them, and I think this gives you a great place to start based on your price list and what you're looking for. I think it's really cool that in the lower price point of the HCS, you actually have some options of heavy rides and medium heavy rides and even lighter from there, because generally with a lot of entry-level cymbals, you just kind of get like one option as a ride and that's it. So I appreciate the versatility there. Then for the pure alloy rides, these are arguably medium heavy, but I think these sound beautiful. They're nice and shimmery without overpowering the whole mix. And finally, I've absolutely loved the 22-inch dark ride so much that it's been on my kit for the last couple months, which is really, really surprising. So now let's test out my list of medium rides and see how they compare. So in this list, in the entry-level cymbals, you kind of have more of your run-of-the-mill standard ride cymbals because they fit right in that nice medium weight. Then in the mid-tier category of these medium rides, we have quite an eclectic group of cymbals. They all sound very different from each other, and the one that stands out to me the most is the 22-inch pure alloy custom medium thin ride. This cymbal is absolutely gorgeous to look at, and it sounds absolutely gorgeous as well. And finally, in the top tier of these rides, the one that stands out to me personally is the 21-inch transition ride. I think it is very versatile. It has a very unique sound as well, and I have actually been playing this ride already for years. But I think, again, all of these are very unique, and there are a lot of great options here. Now let's move into my favorite category, which is the light crashable rides. I really appreciate the versatility of the HCS series and being able to not only have a heavy ride or a medium heavy ride, something medium, and then also a crash ride like this. It's really great to be able to have options when you are looking for an affordable ride cymbal. Then moving to the mid-tier, I think the Classics Custom Dark Crash Ride actually really surprised me when I first played it, and I still really enjoy it. Then finally, in the top tier line of cymbals, I think all of these are beautiful, beautiful ride cymbals. The 20-inch dual crash ride I've been using as a crash now for a couple months because I think, again, it sounds absolutely beautiful, and every single one of these rides have been on my kit for an extended period of time because they all just sound gorgeous. So if you are looking for a new ride cymbal, hopefully this guide has helped you determine which is the right ride cymbal for you, at least when it comes to Meinl cymbals, which is what I play. If you want to see a little bit more from me, I have a free course for you called the Hand Speed Challenge, which you can sign up for right here, where you can improve your hand speed in just 5 days with this free course. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay true, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.